Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted every time we post a new video. So for today's lesson, we're going to look at a popular song from a young phenomenon out of Jamaica. You guys may or may not know her. She goes by the name of Koffee, and the song we're going to take a look at is called Toast. Now this song has over 46 million views on YouTube, and we're going to break down the lyrics and try to show you what they mean based on my interpretation. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It is in no way meant to infringe on works protected by copyright, and all the copyrighted materials are property of their prospective owners. The site we use to find the lyrics is reggaetranslate.com. They also have this song with lyrics in real time on YouTube. Okay, so make we get down to business. We have a whole heap to unpack with this song. So the first line in the song is, "Can't ball in a life, man." We normally use the word ball in space of cry in a Patwah. The basic message in the opening line are, you can't go through life regardless of how hard, just a cry or bawl over it. You have to pick up yourself, be grateful, and move on. The whole song actually about the journey, giving thanks and moving forward while staying humble. Go on with it, me go on with it. It literally means in English, go on with it, or get on with it. And she say, she went on with it. So the line is, go on with it, me go on with it. So now she up on her journey, and I make moves. So the song start off with the actual title, which are toast. And no, not the bread. The actual toast for show appreciation. So we are coming with a force. So we are coming with a force literally translates to, I said we are coming in with a force. This could be with a force of people, or just simply taking the world by storm. Blessings we are reap on we course, in a handful. Now in a Patwah, with certain sentence structures, we tend to put the most important part of the sentence to us up front, and then describe how we are going to perform the action. This is a little advanced, and we are going to cover it in the future. But just to give you an idea, for example, in English, if you were going to eat some food, you would simply say, I am trying to go eat some food. In a Patwah, we sometimes say, some food me I go try eat. So same concept. Blessings we are reap on our course on our way in a handful would translate to, we are reaping blessings on our course in a handful. So she enjoyed the journey and the blessings in a handful. We no rise and boast. Simple. Even though we're up on the come up, we still stay humble. No need for flaunt success. Still prefer humility. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. Again, even with the level of success, still are the most thankful cause we don't forget where we come from and the opportunity we're presented with. We have to give thanks like we're really supposed to. Be thankful. Here again, she drive the point home. She sound like she not take her success lightly, and she knows she's supposed to give thanks. And she also tell the rest of it to be thankful. So now we are going into the chorus, and she repeated quite a few times in the song. Blessings all upon my life and pretty straightforward. She have blessings all on her life, and now she has traveled the world. Me thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. She keep coming back to how much she enjoyed the journey. The earnings are just for the plus, sound like the money only secondary, just a plus, because the actual trip more fulfilling. So just for the plus is simple, just a plus, added benefit. Gratitude is a must, self-explanatory. Now for this one. Me see blessings fall by my right hand. Could be one or three things. In English, I see blessings fall by my right hand. Could I mean blessings fall on a person who on my right hand, or literally by her right hand, or because she's right-handed, the mic is always in her right hand, and that is what I bring the blessings. Just speculation. Don't know which one it is. Now, bus a toast to the friends we take off heavy load. The word bus in Patwah means many things depending on the context, which we will go into later. But in this instance, it's used in the context of bust out a toast, or let's give a toast to the friends who take off heavy load, or is currently helping relieve the load on the journey. One time did sit down in a class and we're bored. Now, when you hear the phrase one time in a Patwah, you know right away it's past tense. We also have a look upon the word sit down. It simply means sit down. So one time did sit down in a class is sometime in the past. We sat in class and we were bored. Okay, so for this one, not sure who Ali is. Assuming a friend of hers in school, but the line, then Ali said the road, I'ma go on with the road, literally translate to, then Ali said, get out there with your talent. That's what the road mean. I'ma go on with the road. And I went out there to show the world what I could do. That's the end of the chorus. Now we're going into the first verse. Third form, me say, make me try a thing. Now, not 100% sure, but in Jamaica, high schools don't go by grades, like 7 to 12. They go by forms, 1st to 6th. So first form would be equivalent to the 7th grade. So third form is about the 9th grade. So third form, me say, make me try a thing. The phrase try a thing is used in most endeavors to be successful. So anytime you start a new venture, people used to refer to you as trying a thing, trying something new. So the complete line, third form, me say, make me try a thing. In about the 9th grade, I said, let me try something new. And you know it formed now to be a fire thing. Now here she gets to use form again, but this time for what it means literally. So it formed out to be a fire thing means that people were receptive and she got hot. Now up on stage with Chronixx I sing. Couple things here. Chronixx is another international reggae superstar. Next thing is he is a Rastafarian, and they don't ever refer to themselves as me. You'll hear a Rasta refer to himself as I and I. So everything for them is I. Hence, in this line, she said, now up on stage with Chronixx I sing. This is her performing with Chronixx. Yeah, you see me? I'll dig it soon, get the eye a ring. So step by step, we covered you see me, which means you see me. So yeah, you see me? Next we have another person referred to as Diggy, who is another international reggae superstar who goes by the name Protege. They also call him Proto. And Diggy is another one of his nicknames. Now, to call somebody in Jamaica, sometimes we refer to that as a ring, or a shout, or a ding. It's constantly changing. So to put this line all together, yeah, you see me? I'll Diggy soon give the eye a ring. It means, yeah, you see me? Even Diggy will call me soon. See that give the eye? Means give me. But again, Rastas refer to themselves as I. Here's a picture with Chronixx and Protege, aka Diggy. Now, for those of you familiar with the Hello Motor commercial, you will get this reference. If you're not, watch the commercial on YouTube afterwards and you'll get it. So like Hello Proto, him say, had to shout you, saw you post a spectacular photo, keep it burning, yes that's the motto, if me the boat I pass through your shorter. Most of this is English, so this is her having a conversation with Protege and he's telling her to keep it burning. And if he's around, he's going to pass through her show. Then after this line, she goes back into the chorus, which we covered earlier. Now for the final verse, she says, Jah shower blessings upon me. Now Jah is another name for Haile Selassie, which is the God that the Rastafarian religion believes in. You'll often hear them reference him a lot in speech or say Jah know instead of God knows. So, Jah shower blessings upon me and send me to tell you my story. English, and said I am to tell you my story. So now she travels the world, telling her story, entertaining others. Jah shower blessings upon me, and that's how I made it give him the glory. Pretty self-explanatory. She still remains humble and grateful. I'm delighted. Jah knows my passion ignited. Cause the music get me excited. It come in like a potion. This is also pretty straightforward. The only noteworthy item is the word ka. We use that sometimes instead of cause, which is short for because. Then the song goes back into the chorus. So that's pretty much it for the song, guys. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this lesson and for everything that you just learned. Check out Reggae Translate's version on YouTube with real-time lyrics. Just do a search for Toast with lyrics and it should come up. So thanks again for hanging out with us and for all the support. And don't forget you can catch us on the Memrise app for more practice, and the info will be in the description. Alright guys, so catch you on the next lesson. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can like our page on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. As always, it's been fun hanging with you. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, take it easy.